Okay, so it's been approximately 1 week since I put up those trail cameras, and now we're gonna go up and check them and see what we got. And today I've got my son and my two grandsons with me, so we're gonna go up and check some trail cameras and hopefully we see some animals, right, Kason?
Yep.
Yep. All right, let's go. Hi, Kason. Hi, Coda. Hi, Cawson. Hi, Boots. And there's Hunter. Here comes Keisha and David.
They're only coming to the first one.
Yeah?
They're going back. It's fine.
Right there. See my camera right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Get up here. This thing up. Pull the card out. That's me. Getting everything set. There's a deer.
Oh, yep. There's a doe.
Little doe. Looked right at the camera. Looks like a ghost, huh?
Yeah. He's just like, looks like I gotta pose
ghost.
for a picture. Jeez. It's like he posed right here.
Ooh, there's a moose.
Oh, where?
Right there.
Oh, dang. Oh, nice. There is. It was like right there. Yeah, the moose was right there.
Yeah. See? Starting to grow its antlers.
What?
Starting to grow its antlers, see?
Yeah, it was right here.
Yeah. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
And that was on June 13th at just almost 8 o'clock at night.
Dang.
But there's another deer. Another doe. Oh, and that's me. What kind of animal is that?
Hairy beast.
It's a hairy beast.
Yeah, because remember?
Okay, that's it.
Grandpa, you're a hairy beast.
Okay, so I'm gonna leave that camera. I'm gonna check the batteries.
Duty, come here.
Make sure everything's good.
Boots.
There was a moose.
Come on, baby, let's go.
Alright, let's go. There she is, right there. That one out. Time to check that one out. See what we got. Okay, so I left both of those trail cameras up. Wanted to leave them a little bit more time. Now, if you're in Utah, you have until July 30th to have them down by, with the new camera laws that went into effect last year. So I'll leave them up for one more week, check them then, maybe move them, maybe leave them until the last day, pull them down, and hopefully we're ready for the hunt at that time. So let's head back, work our way down the mountain.
Picture of him peeing.
He's just enjoying nature. What you got there? What you doing? Oh,
Providing lemonade to to nature.
yeah, leaving your scent. There, you scare everything away. Nothing like peeing outside, right?
Yeah.
Good job. Good job, Koss. You did it. Good job, Coda.
Thank you.
You did it.
Up to you.
You did it. How you doing, Leah? Yeah? You get a little scratched up there, huh?
Yep.
Good. But you don't care? Just rub some spit on it. You're good? There you go. Just like new, huh?
Me and my
Good job.
mom went for a walk, so now